Climb inside the 2015 Chrysler 200. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is ready to drive off the showroom floor. Chrysler paid particular attention to efficiency and practicality with the following features: delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, and a split-folding rear seat. Chrysler ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Call now to schedule a test drive.